Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to plant a citrus tree. Now, citrus are pretty much any fruit like an orange or a lemon or a lime that is considered part of the citrus family. And so they're very easy to grow, but only if you live in a warm coastal climate. That's the deal. Because they have found that a lot of lemons and oranges were found originally in northern India and around the Mediterranean up into Spain and Italy, and then they were brought over into the United States and the southern and the northern Americas by the Spanish, and so they brought them everywhere with them. And so they really like coastal climates that aren't too arid. They don't like desert climates too much. So it's best to grow a citrus tree somewhere where it's not going to get below 50 degrees and doesn't really get above 90 degrees. They love the coastal climates of Florida and California, and they love Spain and Italy. So if you're growing a citrus tree, they're just a tree like any other tree, and you can get a graft, especially like a Myers lemon. The seeds many times will not reproduce because they're a hybrid, but they will take a graft from an existing tree, which is just a start, and it'll root, and then you can get a new tree from that. And so as long as they're in full sun with good drainage, and they don't get below 50 or above 90, and they have some good humidity, they will grow really well. And the best time to plant them is in the wintertime or early spring. And that way they can get a good start for the next year. And even planting them in the fall is good because then they get some rain from the wintertime. And that way they'll get a good set of roots before the drought of the summer. Because that's the first worry that you have when you start a citrus tree. If you start it in the summertime and it stays really warm and you don't water it well enough, you'll lose it. So grow citrus anywhere you can grow pretty much any other type of tree. Just make sure that it stays warm enough. And I've even grown them in a greenhouse before, and as long as they don't freeze or really get below 50 degrees, they will thrive and produce fruit for you.